So I'll show you how I'm doing this. Find my scrap pieces. Oh, they're in here yet. There, you see how I'm doing this. I'm taking pieces of scrap for spacers, and since they're rough sawn lumber, I made sure they're the same size. This board is okay, that's fine. Don't know if I can reach without blocking the camera though in this angle. Not sure how this is going to work out. It's quite awkward. I got to get in here. And for now I'm just putting 2 screws per piece, but anyway, you get the idea how I'm doing this to get the gaps. I got one last piece on the side, on the front to put in, over there. As you see, I'm going to block the camera. So I got 2 sides on and a removable back, which I'll piece in after lunch. Well, not long after I closed out the last video, we got a hailstorm. I am so happy I put in my tools when I did. I ran around and got my tools put away because I could hear it coming. Oh wow, scary. Little ice balls all over the place. I'm standing inside. I'm not going out there to show you the better details. You'll have to trust what you see there, but it's melting on the ground. Well, it was 41, 42 degrees or something today. But, oh wow, scary. Hey guys, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World. Another day. I flipped this over. It's been raining a lot, and I did this in the rain. I put a couple boards up, and this is the inside. I flipped it over so it conveniently holds itself up. And I got to put a little board down here, which I happen to have. I'll chop up and put in, and then I'll flip it around. But for now, that was convenient. And here was a bit of an experiment. I went everywhere I could try to find trailer mounting brackets, and I could not find any. So let me bring you around and show you what I did. I've got here an angle bracket. Now I'll paint this when I get a chance, but the lights absolutely fit. How amazing is that? They fit. You couldn't ask for better. I've got lag bolts in here. I'm going to go ahead and let you watch. I'm going to do the other side, but this was an experiment. I'm going to have brand new lights and wires on this thing, so it's going to get a whole new life. Brand new tires, tags still on them, brand new lights and wires. It's going to be great. We still have the potential for rain. I mean, it's raining on and off, then sun, then rain, and always brutally cold. It turned to winter, and oh, it is cold. I cracked my rib coughing, and boy, it hurts in this weather. It is really, I can feel it. So what I'm doing, very quick and simple, eye it up to center. I'm using my right hand and I'm left-handed. This is fun. Get a hole in there. Start a bolt. My drill is a little small, but intentionally so, because I really want those threads to grip and do their job long term. So I got to tighten that. That'll take a few minutes. I won't make you wait and watch, but I'm going to get that in. And when that's in, then I can go ahead and I can line up the other. I'll be back in a minute. I'm just going to get this one in. So now I can put the other hole in. Get that bolt started. And we'll get that one in. This one's going through a knot, so it's going to be a little harder. So I'll get that tight. We'll see in a minute. Now the lights, top. I bought these online. There's hot glue in them. I'm not sure how long that's going to hold up. I might put some kind of a goop on there because I'm not quite sure I trust hot glue on an outdoor trailer light. Although, I'm probably going to put a housing over these anyway to protect them from being banged up. Now look at this. Look at that. I am very pleased that I found something that works perfect for this. I am so happy to have that. Isn't that amazing? So I gotta get the wrenches and tighten them up. Watch my head here, I got a piece of wood over my head. I have a vision for a unique drop-in cross piece over the top. So, and I put my drill bit away. Be right back. Oh, it's so cold. Wow. So, we're going to put this on here. Oi, I'm shaking. All right. And then some lag bolts. Whew. By the way, just to explain, it's that wind bites through your clothes. Whew. If it wasn't for that, it'd be a beautiful day. All right, I have to pop this off. Then on that one side, I have to trim that board on this side. I stuck it out too far, just a tiny bit. Right here, using scrap lumber. Okay, now let me get this top piece. And here's the plan. So when I'm going down the road, this will pop into here and hold these sides from angling out. Now, I also have a plan, because you're going to ask, what about safety? What about that popping off going down the road? Well, I'll show you what my thoughts are on that. I have these happy little guys. Little spring-loaded retaining pin that will go in here. The idea was to go through one of these holes, but it won't fit through and around. So I'm going to later probably drill one, but for now, this is going to be absolutely effective because that can't lift up past that pin. There's no way, if I put a pin on both sides, there's no way that's going to lift up over that, around that pin. It'll have to really have some upward pressures, which is not physically going to be happening. So I'm going to put the other pin on. Now there's no way that can come off. It's just not, it can't. Even if this pin slides all the way this way, there's enough of the pin under here, the force of the metal and the strength of the metal, that's no way that can come off there. There's no way on earth that's coming off. So there, Probably wasn't necessary, but you know, for $4 for 2 clamps, I figured it's a safety precaution. When I get a chance, I'll drill through here, and then I'll have really, I mean, better than even it is now. So now, let me take you over here. I realize I'm bouncing all over the place on projects, but it depends on what's going on with weather. But now, it can shake, but it can't go out. Actually, when I put the rear plate on, okay, now it's not shaking. Not bad at all. I mean, the whole trailer's moving now. So it's part of the trailer now. It's rock solid and secure now. And I just got a piece of that board in here. I'm gonna go warm up a little bit and then continue on with the trailer lights later on.